Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another holiday speed build for you. Today we're building set 40499 Lego Seasonals Santa Sleigh. Been looking forward to building this for about a year now. My daughter already has this. She's got it pre-built. It's actually part of our Winter Village. Sits on top of the Home Alone house right now, actually. Very appropriate and actually does fit that particular house pretty well. But I haven't had the chance to build this yet, and I know this set's been out for a couple years now, and I wanted to snatch it up before Lego officially retires it, which I don't know when or if they're going to retire. Some, as we all know, sets sometimes stay out longer or shorter than others. But I'm looking forward to building this. I like the 4 reindeers. I think that's probably what drove the price up. I think this set's about $40. These the reindeer molds. That's got to be why the price is a little higher. Santa Claus minifigure. I've actually already got one. When I built the Santa's Visit Winter Village set last Christmas, I got a Santa in that one. So this will be another Santa I get. The sleigh looks really good. Look at the back of the box. Got lots of little brick-built presents that actually just sit loosely inside. A little drawer for more presents. It's packed full of little goodies. And I'm looking forward to having this built and getting displayed for Christmas this year. So let's get to it.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
back to my review of the Santa Sleigh. I'm going to start with the Santa minifigure. This is not my first version of this Santa. I have one that I received in the Santa's Visit set from 3 years ago, the Winter Village set. This is the exact same mold and printing, right down to the candy cane in the back of the belt. But this one does come with a really nice printed, nice list. So that's really nice little extra that's in this set. As far as in the set itself, here we go. Here it is. This is an older set, so imagine a lot of people may already have it, but this is just my own take on this set. I like it. It was done well. The reindeers, I've never built used deer molds before, so that was a new one for me. And honestly, this is probably also what drove the price up a little bit. This is a $40 set for less than 400 pieces, so I think we're paying for the deer molds in this one. But they totally make this work. The sleigh itself, nice construction. If you noticed in the video, I did have a little bit of struggle getting this back door to close. Turns out I just needed to fiddle around with it, and it finally went together, no problem. Lots of brick built and just loose elements as far as presents, as a guitar, a teddy bear, some brick built gifts, some skis, stuff like that. Early on in the build, actually, the first step is the reindeer. You actually end up at the end of the build ending up with 4 1x2 bricks and 4 1x2 tiles at the end of it, because these fill in the missing gaps, but you take them out to attach them to the Santa sleigh. And I think I did see a YouTube video of how to turn the 4 reindeer sleigh into an 8 reindeer sleigh using just the parts in 2 of the sets. Now, I happen to have 2 sets. My daughter has one that she built. So we could easily do this. I think it just takes a couple of the gold lightsaber handles, attaching here to the ends of the harness right here, and then attaching another 4 reindeer in front. That'll give you the entire team of Santa's reindeer. Pretty cool. It would make a very long, model, and also not the sturdiest. It's only held on by a couple clips, and so it's very easy to move, and too much weight, it already makes it droop. So adding more reindeers would probably increase it more, unless you're building this for a display, which is obviously what I'm building this for display. Really fun. Nice to have finally built the Santa sleigh. I was looking forward to getting this thing done. And that concludes the review. So thank you for watching this far. If you like what you've seen, please drop a like on this video and give me a subscribe if you like other LEGO content. Please consider also following me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which are linked in the description below. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.